Welcome to Best Choice. The best wind turbine is probably one of the most exciting innovations in sustainable energy, offering a powerful solution for harnessing the natural force of the wind. This video will dive deep into the world of 15 kilowatts wind turbines, exploring their capabilities, benefits, and the crucial factors you need to consider before making a purchase. Get ready to discover how these turbines can revolutionize your energy consumption. Number 5. DIY Wind Turbine Generator Kit with Light Strip. Introducing a unique way to decorate your backyard. This wind turbine generator powers a colorful light strip. It adds a touch of dynamic color to your yard. The light strip illuminates automatically when the wind blows. No batteries or external power supply are needed. The brightness varies with the wind strength. Assemble the windmill generator and place it in an open area. It's designed for easy assembly. You can watch the strip light up every windy night. The wind turbine is built to withstand strong winds. It uses a brushless motor and anti-aging materials for the blades. It can be fixed to railings or other open areas. Most parts are DIY, adding a personal touch. It's a clever and practical design. It's a fun way to harness wind power in your yard. What we like. This wind turbine kit is perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your backyard. It features a colorful light strip that illuminates with the wind. If you're looking to create a fun and unique ambience in your outdoor space, this is the perfect choice. It's easy to assemble and adds a dynamic visual element to your yard. What people say. The wind turbine has a robust design and is built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The turbine's blades are aerodynamically designed to maximize energy capture. The turbine is equipped with a smart control system that optimizes performance. Number 4. Mini Wind Turbine Generator for Teaching. This mini wind turbine generator is a great tool for teaching the principles of DC wind power generation. It's designed for educational purposes and DIY science experiments. The model comes as a complete set of accessories, allowing you to assemble it yourself. This provides a fun, hands-on experience while learning about renewable energy. Its advanced design ensures high utilization of wind energy. No matter where the wind blows, it can be powered by the wind. The small size and quiet operation make it an excellent demonstration tool. It's perfect for showing how wind energy works without any noise. This teaching tool is designed to develop hands-on ability and spark interest in science. It is ideal for educational settings. Please remember, this is for testing and teaching only. To improve the display effect, you can use a fan or blow dryer at the right angle to power it. What we like. This model is designed specifically for educational purposes. It allows you to demonstrate the principles of wind power generation. If you are a teacher or a student interested in learning about renewable energy, this is an excellent tool. It's a hands-on way to understand how wind turbines work. What people say. Generates electricity, i.e. LED lights up, when you spin the motor quickly by hand, or keep it under a fan or blow air on it, or hold it under a tap water current. 2 pocket-sized vertical turbines assemble in minutes and generate enough DC to run a small incandescent or LED bulb. Each kit arrives as laser-cut nylon blades, a micro DC motor, hardware, and a clear base. Number 3. Pikasola MPPT Wind Turbine Charge Controller. This controller uses Boost MPPT technology, which charges more efficiently than PWM chargers. In low wind speeds, when the wind generator's voltage is lower than the batteries, it resolves this issue. This MPPT wind charge controller is suitable for wind turbines up to 600 W. It automatically manages charging and activates the brake when the battery is full. It's fully waterproof, reaching IP67, and includes lightning, overvoltage, reverse connection, and open circuit protection. The wind turbine controller automatically matches 12V or 24V batteries. It controls voltage and current during charging for optimal results. This provides maximum protection for both the wind turbine and the battery. The controller uses an aluminum alloy shell and a thermal dissipation structure for effective heat management. The rectification and brake circuits use an integrated module design, improving both heat dissipation and reliability compared to traditional designs. LED indicators clearly display the wind charge controller status. 2 green lights indicate normal operation of the wind turbine and controller. A red light signals a problem. What we like. This controller is designed for optimal performance and protection of your wind turbine system. It utilizes MPPT technology for efficient charging, even in low wind conditions. If you need a reliable and efficient controller to maximize the power output of your wind turbine, this is the one. It offers comprehensive protection features and automatic adjustments for ease of use. What people say. It works as advertised. Good product. Number 2. White Lantern 600W24V Wind Turbine Generator Kit. This is the White Lantern Wind Turbine, a 600W24V generator. It's designed for various applications, from gardens to boats. It's a compact and efficient solution for harnessing wind energy. With a rated power of 600W and a 24V output, it efficiently converts wind energy into usable power. The turbine features a low startup speed, ensuring it begins generating electricity even in light breezes. The turbine has 5 blades made of durable nylon fiber. This design maximizes wind power utilization. It also features an automatic wind direction adjustment for optimal performance. This turbine is perfect for home use, monitoring systems, and marine applications. It's also ideal for wind-solar hybrid streetlights. Its versatility makes it a great choice for various needs. This turbine is designed for easy installation and maintenance. Its lantern shape is more three-dimensional. It's a reliable and user-friendly solution for sustainable energy. It's perfect for charging boats, gazebos, cabins, or mobile homes. It's also a great choice for green windmills and supplementing home, corporate, and industrial energy batteries. What we like. This wind turbine is ideal for various applications, including home use and marine environments. Its lantern shape and low startup speed make it efficient at capturing wind energy. If you're looking for a versatile and stylish wind turbine for your home or boat, this is a great option. It's designed for both functionality and aesthetics. What people say. The turbine has a robust design. The product is well engineered and functions as expected. The wind turbine is efficient in converting wind energy into electricity. Number 1. MAGT DIY Vertical Wind Turbine Kit. Today, we're exploring a fascinating DIY project. This kit allows you to build your own vertical wind turbine, a great way to learn about renewable energy. This MAGT turbine is designed for educational purposes. It's a hands-on way to understand how wind energy can be converted into power. The kit includes everything you need to get started. You can assemble it yourself and see how it works to generate electricity. The vertical design makes it efficient. It's a great way to learn about the mechanics of wind power generation. This is an excellent tool for teaching. It demonstrates the principles of sustainable energy in a practical and engaging way. What we like. This DIY kit is perfect for those who enjoy hands-on projects and learning about renewable energy. It allows you to build your own wind turbine and understand how it generates power. If you're interested in a fun and educational project, this kit is an excellent choice. It's a great way to learn about wind energy while building something yourself. What people say. It's great so I can buy a large one for my house. The wind turbine is well designed and functions as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.